Prime Minister Andrew Holness is sending clear signs that a general election is in the offing. He teased party faithfuls in Clarendon on Sunday, telling them to watch the signals he's sending. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
Stand up for your rights.
A meeting of green-clad Jamaica Labour Party workers at the Green Park Primary School in Sandy Bay, Clarendon on Sunday. JLP leader Andrew Holness, the main speaker.
While I was preparing to come, I was in my closet and I said, what shoes should I wear? I said, hardly. It's a long time I don't draw for the clocks. Right? It's a long time I don't draw for my desert clocks.
He said it's the shoes he'll be wearing as he crisscrosses the country to inspect the JLP's readiness for a general election widely believed will be called this year. Mr. Holness told the party workers in attendance not to get complacent because of the positive sentiments surrounding the government.
Everybody should be on their marks. Yes, they should be assembling up for the inspection line. Yes, the race umpire, referee wants to make sure that everybody is in order. Candidates ready. Enumeration done and complete. Canvases done and complete. Yes. So you have to be ready. Get ready. Because you are going to be inspected. When inspection done now, we change my shoes. And we put on the track shoes.
He says it's then that he will ring the bell, signaling the announcement of the general election.
Yeah, so watch the shoes then.
But while Mr. Holness was decidedly vague, Audley Shaw was much more forthcoming on timelines to get ready.
By March, in the enumeration in March, make sure that you enumerate everybody that has to be enumerated by March. Get out your zone supervision system. Get out your 1 in 20 system. Get the system well-oiled and organized and enumerate your people by March.
He told the JLP supporters that he's tired of being the only JLP MP in Manchester, serving now for almost 27 years. He's the longest serving MP ever in the parish. Mr. Shaw assured his party leader their candidate for the PNP stronghold of Manchester South can win the seat, but that's not all.
We can also win Central Manchester. We can win it. May I tell you something? Matter of fact, we can win all 4 of them.
He told them there are 2 Clarendon seats which can be targeted as well, and told his party supporters to pull up their socks in that parish to ensure victory. The JLP now holds 1 of the 4 Manchester seats and 3 of the 6 in Clarendon. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.